Samsung new official teaser for the S23 series are out and they have confirmed some new info, plus they also have mentioned the official announcement date. And last, we also have some new pricing detail has been leaked, plus the performance of the S23 series benchmark has been also confirmed. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, a new teaser of the S23 series has been arrived, which all have 3 camera lenses and each one confirms a different thing in it. Like the first one has the epic connectivity features, second one showcase the S Pen capability, third one is focused on gaming, fourth one has a nice cooling functionality, and the final one confirms the selfie camera. So all of these teaser indicates some of the main highlights of the upcoming S23 series, and mainly they are focusing on cameras, performance and their processing speed. And all of them confirmed that Feb 1 is going to be the official announcement and there are just 2 days away. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, which functionality of the S23 series you are going to be liking most. And guys, we already know through leaks and rumors that a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is coming for this year S23 series, which has an incredible performance both in the CPU and in the GPU department, plus it is going to be much more power efficient. Now today we have got a new benchmark score which has confirmed that it's going to be coming with a single core score of 1564 and a multi-core score of 4979. Basically it's going to be much more better than the S22 Ultra and even the Pixel 7 Pro, which is amazing. Although the Geekbench score does not matter anymore, but still they provide some basic information about the processing speed. Now finally, regarding the price, we know through leaks and rumors and it has been confirmed that the upcoming S23 series will be coming with a price hike if you are not living in the US. In US, you will have a pricing like $799 for the S23, $999 for the S23 Plus, and the $1199 for the S23 Ultra, while Europe will have a 50 to 100 euros of price hike, while India has a 5000 INR increase in the price from the last year. But don't be sad, as some amazing pre-order deals are coming, like the Galaxy Buds Pro or the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro are coming as a pre-order gifts. Plus you also could possibly get a free memory upgrades, like you will get a 512GB of variant in a price of 256GB. So definitely I think that this is going to be a good pre-order deal. If you are living in the US, there is another advantage for you because a $50 credit will be given to you if you pre-reserve the device right now. And guys, I'm super excited about the S23 series. If you guys are interested in to see the official camera sample for the S23 Ultra, here is the video, check out them as well. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, peace.